भक्त महावीर स्वामी की जय, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की, दुष्ट दल रघुनाथ कला। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की, दुष्ट दल रघुनाथ कला की। जाके बल से गिरवर काटे, रोग दोष जाके निकट न जाते। अंजलि पुत्र महाबल धारी, संतन के प्रभु सदा सहाई। आरती देवी रघुनाथ पधारे, लंका जाए लंका से कोट समुद्र पाए। जात पावन सुत बाल बनाए। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की, दुष्ट दल रघुनाथ कला की। लंका जाए असुर संहारे, सिया राम जी के काज सवारे। लक्ष्मण मूर्छित परे सखारे, मारे सजीवन प्राण मारे। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की, दुष्ट दल रघुनाथ कला की। पृथ्वी पाताल तोरी जमकारे, अहिरावत की भुजा उतारे। पाए भुजा असुर दल मारे, दाहिने भुजा संतन उतारे। सुर नर मुनि आरती उतारे, जय 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 हनुमान उचारे। कंचन थाल कपूर उचारे, आरती करत अंजना माई। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की, दुष्ट दल रघुनाथ कला की। लंका विध्वंस किए रघुराई, तुलसीदास स्वामी की पुकारे। आरती जो रघुनाथ की आरती गावे, बसु वैकुंठ परम पद पावे। लंका विध्वंस किए रघुराई, तुलसीदास स्वामी की पुकारे। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की, दुष्ट दल रघुनाथ कला की। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की, दुष्ट दल रघुनाथ कला की। दुष्ट दल रघुनाथ कला की, दुष्ट दल रघुनाथ कला की। बोले पावन पुत्र महावीर स्वामी की जय। Notice, take your seats, please. Let us focus our minds on the Supreme Lord, on the lotus feet of Bhagwan, on the lotus feet of Pawan Put Mahavir Ji. I'm seeking the guidance, blessings and protection as we begin this final session of our 21 days webinar. We did the Purnahutta today. We pray all the blessings should come to everyone. Hari Om Ajnanatirandhasya Jnana Janashalakaya Chakshurunmitam तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वर्णानामर्थसंधानं रसानां छन्दसामपि मंगलानां च कर्तारं वन्दे वायुविनायकम्। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय पते नमः। ॐ मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रबुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये। कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवामि सहितं नमामि। ॐ वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। रामायण विजय रामायण सुमिरन। जय सुमिरत सिद्धि हो गणनायक करि मेरे परम अनुग्रह सो बुद्धिराशीष मूक होहि माता बोले पावरफुल महावीर स्वामी की जय। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय। वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। आदरणीय पूजनीय पंडित जी, अन्य पंडित, प्रिय सज्जनों, भक्त समुदाय, महानुभाव, Pushpa Panditji, other Pandits, devotees of the Supreme Lord, the Divine Souls. First, let me say Radhe Radhe to each and everyone. And my pranam, my humblest prostrations to all of you. A special welcome to Bhakti TV. I think we are simulcast with them at this time. Special welcome to all who are viewing on Bhakti TV. And a special thanks to Pandit Satyananda Maharaj from around West Trinidad, who's performed this wonderful seva of bringing so many glories to the Supreme Lord, to so many souls all over the world. Again, before we begin Katha this morning, let's remember our brothers and sisters, parents, mothers and fathers in India at this time who are suffering so much. So much death, disease and suffering. We pray to the Supreme Lord to shower His blessings and grace. Everything is in His hand. So please, please bless their souls. We ask the Lord for special blessings this morning. Let's all close our eyes, clasp hands together, and bow our heads. Focus your mind. Think about all the souls. Baraha Pidam Natvarvadu Karnayo Karnikaram Vibhradvasam Kanakakapisham Vaijayanti Chamam Randhanavena Radhar Sudhaya Purayan Gopa Vrindai Vrindaranyam Swapadamanam Pravishagita Kirti. Bole Vrindavan Bihari Lal Ki Jai. We are so blessed to be coming to the end of 21 days, 21 sessions of Yagna. Normally we would have 21 sessions when we do Bhagavad Mahapuran Yagna. It's done 3 times a day, 7 days, which is very difficult as work, etc., to be able to attend 3 times a day. But we didn't have Bhagavad Mahapuran. First we started with the Devi Yagna to Navaratri and celebrated Ram Navami also, the birth appearance of the Supreme Lord. Then we had 4 days of Bhagavad Bhakti Satsang, 4 sessions, and then we had commemorated the birth appearance of Prabhu Hanumanji. We had 7 sessions concluded today, total making it 21 sessions. Today is our final session, and as we come, we bring this wonderful yajna to the conclusion. We saw Hanumanji being reminded about what he's come in this world for. Ram Kaj. We all have to do Ram Kaj. Our ultimate aim in life, the reason why human birth is so important above all the other forms of life. 84 lakh prakar ki yoni hai, 8.4 million forms, plus devatas. And in all of them, most superior and the rarest and most difficult to attain, human birth. Bhagwan Shri Ram himself says, Bade bhagya manush tan pava, sur durlabh sar grantha nigava. Bhagwan Shri Ram addressing the residents of Ayodhya, says to them, it is the greatest fortune, Bade bhagya. Greatest fortune for the soul that acquires birth in the human form. Sur durlabh. Sur means Devta. Indra, the king of heaven, Agni, the god of fire, Vayu, the god of wind, etc. These are Devta. Sur. They want to get birth in human form. They're begging and praying. They can't get. We can't imagine the value of what we have. And we don't utilize it in the right way because we don't understand the value. नहीं समझते कितने दुर्लभ है. We don't understand how rare and difficult it is to acquire birth in the human form. Again, Shri Ram says, Kabahuk kari karuna nar dehi, det ish binu hetu sanehi. Again, he said to the residents of Ayodhya, very rare, very seldom does the Supreme Lord, who loves the individual soul without any self-interest, bestow upon it birth in the human form. After billions and millions of lifetimes, we get a chance. Bhaiya. Apne karuna may, through his causeless mercy alone. And what do we do with it when we get it? Do we utilize in the right way? Do we do Ram Kaj? So Hanumanji is reminded to do that he is taken this avatar. This is Shiva avatar. Hanumanji is no Devata, as I told you, he is the descension of Shivji himself. This is told in Shiv Puran. This is why it's called Shankar Suman also. So, he's taken this special descension to do Ram Kaj. We all have to do Ram Kaj. This is the value of human birth. Then it will be successful. Then we have attained the fruit of taking birth in human form. We have successfully performed the work that will give us the fruit of human birth. Otherwise, just come, have a good time, enjoy, and then that's it.
Well, a little bit of that too, Swamiji.
अरे अनंत बार हमने enjoy किया. This soul, who we are, हम जीव हैं, शरीर नहीं है. We are soul, आत्मा. न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन्नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयात्. अजो नित्य शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे. Chapter 2, verse 20, Gita, Shri Krishna says, the individual soul, Jivatma Bhuya, never takes birth, nor does it die, nor having come into existence does it cease to be, because it is unborn, eternal, and most ancient. It is not destroyed even when the body is destroyed. Uncountable times we have gotten human birth. Uncountable times we have become Indra, king of heaven. Abhi tak pet nahi bhara. Even then, our belly is not filled. What do we get in this world? Do we get happiness? We think, thus we keep running after it. This is the delusion. This is Maya. This is the illusion of Maya. It fools us into thinking we can find happiness in the world. We want happiness. Nothing is wrong in wanting happiness. ये हमारा स्वभाव है, it's our nature. We can't help it. क्योंकि हम आनंद का अंश हैं, because we are a fraction of that supreme bliss. So it's our nature to want happiness. But galat jagah mein dhoondha. We have been looking in the wrong place. Somehow, if somehow we can get convinced, someone can convince us, bhaiya galat disha mein ja raha. You want to go to Florida from New York and you start going north. Somebody tells you and convinces, hey bhaiya, kahan ja rahe? Oh, I'm taking 95, I'm going to Florida. But you're going in the wrong direction. Turn around. Head south. If someone can convince us, not easy. Many have tried. Uncountable saints we have met. We've heard and we have shaken our head. Ah, very nice. What he says, nice. Very good. But we put one but, lekin, and we put the whole thing over. I'm a householder, I have to enjoy, I have to take care of my family, I have to do this. All the time we have given that excuse. Every time. And this is the whole thing. So, सोचना है यहाँ तक तो हनुमान जी माता सीता को मिल गए कई घटना को पार किया. He has crossed many obstacles. In the way of life, we will come to obstacles, especially in the spiritual path. I told you, big obstacles will come, big tests. Hanumanji was tested. The Devatas tested him first. Sursa, then Sangika, then Lankini. Hanuman passed all the tests. He met Vibhishan, that great devotee, even though Rakshas is a great devotee of Prabhu Shri Ram, brother of Ravana. The same house, you have a devotee, and the same house, you have a Rakshas. Nothing to do with blood. People say, oh, the blood, if I have a father who is a devotee, I have to be a devotee. No. In the home of a Rakshas, the greatest devotee is born, Prahlad. And home of devotee, Paulus Muni, Rakshas is born. So don't think it has to be like that. We come with things from our past life. There's many things that prove that there is past life, that is reincarnation, which other religions refuse to accept. Yet they can't give answers. That God is a loving and just God. Then why so many people suffering, so many people dying? One is born so healthy, one is born with so much sickness, without limbs. One is so rich, one is so poor, etc. Ye vishamyata. So, Sanatana Dharma gives the answer. Purva janma kritam karma taddevamiti kathyate itupadesh. The actions we perform in our past life out of the free will. Bhagwan humko free will dete. He gives us free will. Karmanyavadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phala hetu bhurmate sangostva karmani. Chapter 2 verse 47. Bhagwan says, Bhaiya, करो जो आपको करना चाहिए. कर्म करने का अधिकार सबको देते. He gives the right to perform action. Do whatever you want. Do good, do bad, do mixed. I give you full freedom. So the right of action we have, but He does not give us the right to the fruit. Bhagwan says, do whatever you want, but I reserve the right to give the fruit accordingly. You do good action, you get good fruit. You do bad action, you get bad fruit. Simple. We can't blame anyone. We like to blame neighbor, we want to blame this one, we want to blame, hey, Bhagwan. Nobody blames themselves. First thing we look to blame the neighbor, he do something or she did something. If we could have seen our past life and what we have done, we won't blame anyone. Instead, we will just devote ourselves to Bhagwan. As we said last night, in the beautiful bhajan, Koi samjhe, koi samjhe, koi samjhe bhakt sujaan, Ram kirpa karte hai. Everything of Bhagwan is a kripa, grace. The worst thing is kripa and the best thing is kripa. He gives wealth to some and he takes away from some. He gives health to some, take away from some. Everything is kripa. And if we realize it, we have to realize it, that's all. It's so important. So Hanumanji destroyed the garden. Seeing how Ravan is threatening his mother, Ma Sita, Mari Ma, to kill her. And so much things he said, and Hanuman thought, okay, I'll teach you a lesson. Hanuman destroyed his most beautiful possession, the garden, and killed many of his warriors, killed his son, Akshay Kumar. Then Meghnad was sent. Meghnad, Indrajit, very powerful. One who was defeated Indra, the king of the heavens. Indrajit. Hanumanji gave him a good battle. One coffin threw him up a tree, he fell down unconscious. Then Meghnad was given a weapon by Brahma, Brahmastra, his own weapon. Hanumanji was given the boon by Brahma in his birth that my Brahmastra, my weapon, will never have any effect on him. So Hanumanji didn't have any fear. But Hanumanji thought, first to begin, if I do not yield to this weapon, then Brahma's name will be like, everyone will have a laugh, is Brahma the creator. So he paid respect to Brahma and let the weapon affect him. He enacted him. Hanuman wasn't affected. He had a boon. He pretended to be unconscious. Pretended. And he allowed himself to be tied up by Meghnad. Shivji said to Parvati, that one who's taken his name, Rishi, Muni, all, they're able to cut the ocean of Maya, the bonds of Maya. Can the one who's worshipping such a Lord be bounded by little soap and dance? Never. But he had to carry out the work of the Lord. So Hanumanji allowed himself. And then he was brought before Ravan. Ravan had fun. Ravan wanted to kill him because he teach Ravan. He gave so much lesson, bhakti, jnana, vairagya. That Hanuman, he said, give up this abhiman, you abhimani Ravan. And we heard a lesson last night of ego, how dangerous ego is. Give up this ego and do bhakti. But of course Ravan will not give up the ego. And he says, you foolish monkey, won't you dare teach me? Bara jnani ban gaya. Guru jnani. Your death is coming, that's why you dare teach me. Hanuman said, no, bhaiya, your death is coming. That's why your intellect has become brushed, destroyed. So Ravan got angry and is rushing forward to kill Hanuman. And then Vibhishan came with the ministers and he fell at the feet of Ravan begging, Ye doot hai, this is a messenger. So this is against the rule of diplomacy, to kill the messenger. Punish him, don't kill him. Ravan, everyone agreed and Ravan listened. He said, okay, break every bone in his body. But then again they said, no, don't do that. Bandar ko sabse pyari hai unke pooch. The dearest thing to a monkey is his tail. So Everyone there's a conference and they all agreed, let's destroy, just burn his tail.
Have fun.
And then he'll go and call his master. I want to see because he had asked Hanuman, on whose strength that you did all these things? Hanuman told, he glorified Bhagavan on his strength. Told the whole thing about even you could not touch that bow, and he broke it in the Sita Swayamvar. Ravan had seen at that time, but he was in such shame that he forgot. So he said to Hanuman, okay, so if he goes back with the tail burnt, and he will be crying and bring his master, then I will see his power, that he will be glorified so much. I will see what kind of power he has. So they all got together and started to gather all the cloth they could get. And about to set fire to Hanumanji. Let's see. When this plan was made, remember yesterday, Hanuman started to laugh. Man mein muskuraya. Look at these fools. He says, Ma Sharda ne hamare sahayata, main jana, main mana. He says, I have accepted that Saraswati Mata has come to my help because she has made them all the intellect, the intelligence crooked, destroyed it. They are going to burn their own house, these fools. They are thinking that they are going to destroy me, but in fact they are destroying them. And a lesson from that, destroying themselves. As I said, you dig a hole for somebody and you fall in the same hole. We want to harm somebody and we end up harming our own self. Don't think about harming others and causing destruction. Always try to help. And if you can't help and you think this person is bad and I don't, then don't do anything. But do not harm. Never try to harm anyone. The greatest sin, the sabse bada paap, dusre ko peera dena. We told in the scriptures the greatest sin is to give hurt, pain to others. Par peera. Samman nahi adhamai. There's no greater sin than giving pain, suffering to others. If you can do help. Parupakar. Parupakar vachan man kaya sant sahaj subhav khagaraya. When describing the good people, the good, those who are benevolent. So the Lakshana is given that those who we call good, by words, thoughts and deeds, their nature is to help. Even if they'll come to harm themselves. Don't worry about it. Ab Bhagwan dekhte hain na? God sees. If nobody else helps you, Bhagwan is going to bless you. Forget about who helped you and who didn't help. Nobody helped me, so I'm not helping anybody. Don't ever think like that. One of the ideals of Dharma is daya, compassion, to be compassionate, to want to help. This is the nature of the good people, the saintly people. Bhuj taru samasant kripala parahit sahanit vipati vishala. Tusidasi gives a beautiful example of the good people, the saintly people. He says like a bhoj patra. Long ago, there was no paper factory. And all the scriptures were written 5,000 years ago. More than that. Just around that time, Veda Vyasa put in the Vedas. So always existed. And the Puranas in book form. But there was no paper. So there's a tree called Bhoj Patra. This tree is made of bark only. Chal, bark only. So to take the bark out, you've seen books. There's some still preserved. It was written in Bhoj Patra. Bhagavad, Mahapuran, etc. This is what is written. And you keep taking out from the tree, and the tree eventually, because it's made of bark only, there's no wood, there's bark. You keep taking out, the tree dies eventually. So with others. In the same way, the saints, the good people, you take the skin out of their back, and they will still think how to help. For Bhalai is watching. I know it's hard. It's hard for us to think like that. But this is the teachings. The good people. So here Mahavir Ji said, Saraswati must have gone in these people's head. I accept this. And turned their intellect. Because they have set in fire on their own house. उस समय लंका के वस्त्र घी तेल नहीं रहा क्योंकि कपी के पूंछ भर गई किंतु खेल समझने लगे. So they brought clothes and they brought the cloth and all the ghee and all the oil they could find. And Hanumanji kept extending it. And they still didn't understand anything. You're seeing Hanumanji and all the cloth and all the everything. You have to realize this is not an ordinary monkey. He kept extending until all finished. And they were happy and laughing. This was just a game for them. महावीर जी ने खेल करके पूंछ बढ़ा दी. ये कौतुक देखते पूर्वासी आए और महावीर जी के लात मार बहुत हंसी करने लगे. So, see, for Hanumanji this is a play, the divine plays. He kept extending. And see in this amazing thing, the residents of Lanka, what they did? They didn't get any sense. They just came and said, and they will kick him. Laat. And they will clap and have fun. ढोल बजाते हैं सब, ताली पीटते हैं. सारे नगर में फिरा कर फिरे पूछे में आग लगा दी पूछ में. So they started playing dhol, nagara. It was great fun. They started playing all these big drums and they started to clap and have fun. And they took around, this tail went around the whole city because so long he extended it. And eventually they set fire to the tail of Hanumanji. Mahavir ji Agni ke jalta dekh bahut chote roop हो गए. And see now the tail has caught, they set fire to his tail. Hanumanji took a small form. Hari prerit tehi avasar, chale upavan unchas, o Rama, chale upavan unchas. अट्ठहास कर गर्जे कपि बढ़ी लाख आकाश, ओ राम कपि बढ़ी लाख आकाश. पवनपुर महावीर स्वामी की जय. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय. जय श्री राम. ऐसे कहकर महावीर जी कूद कर सोने की अटारी पर चढ़ गए. निशाचारों की स्त्रियां डर गई. And so Hanuman ji said, Jai Shri Ram, and he jumped on the roof of the house. Is gold, Sone. This is a city of gold. This Lanka was a city of gold given by Shivji to Ravana in exchange for his 10 head. Hanumanji jumped, and all the wives of the Rakshasas seen Hanuman, he's jumped. And jumping from roof to roof, they got very scared. हरी इच्छा से उस समय 49 पावन चलने लगे. So here, Tulsidas Maharaj is saying, and can you imagine? He's saying at this time, through the grace of Bhagwan, through his wish, 49 winds started blowing. I don't know how when 49 wind will blow, how it will be like. 49, like a hurricane. 49 winds started to blow. अट्ठहास करके महावीर जी गरजे और आकाश को भरने लगे. And laughing very loudly. Athahas. They're different kind of laugh. They smit. You know, they're different laugh. One, they smile only. You don't see any teeth. But you know they laugh. There's no sound, there's no teeth. The other one, you start seeing teeth a little bit. Other one, together with teeth, you start hearing something. More than that, the sound increased more. And then Athahas, really loud, that your belly starts hurting and tears start flowing from your eyes. That is Athahas. Laughing really loudly. You know, sometimes you really have a good laugh. This is called Athahas. Laughing like that. Hanumanji roared and jumped into the sky at that time. देह बहुत बड़ी थी परंतु हल्की थी. सो एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान में सहज से दौड़ते चल जाते हैं. हनुमान जी made himself very big. बहुत बढ़ा दिया. But he was so light at the same time. हनुमान कर सकते हैं. Hanuman has all the powers. So at the same time he was very light. So in this way he was able to jump from one place to another place, from one house to another house. नगर में जलाने लोग बेहाल हो गए. जलाने से अनेक प्रकार की कराल लपेटे करोड़ों निकलती. And so the whole city is burning. Everyone is screaming and bawling. People are dying. Thousands and thousands were killed. Rakshas were killed. And Hanuman, this fierce flame, fierce, Karal, very fierce flame, started shooting. Because breeze is blowing so heavy and all is burning at the same time. So huge flames, like thousands and millions of flames, and the entire city is burning. And many are dying. अब यहाँ एक बहुत बढ़िया बात किया. Wonderful thing. Tusidar ji says here. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। यहाँ एक बहुत सुंदर बात पार्वती जी से कहते हैं शिव भगवान कि हे पार्वती, साधु श्रेष्ठ पुरुष महात्माओं के निस अदा आदर का यही पल होते हैं, जैसे अनाथ की तरह नगर जल रहा है। Shankar Bhagavan said to Parvati, when you give disrespect to the saints and sages, to devotees of Bhagavan, this is the fruit. We have to be very careful. Someone is a devotee of Bhagavan, and we don't know by looking outwardly. Vishnu sthana kitam papam guru sthane pramuchyate, guru sthana kitam papam bhajalepo bhavishyati. The scripture says, Bhagavan says, if you curse Bhagavan, people curse Bhagavan, they have ill feeling. My neighbor had 9 sons and now he having a 10th son, and I only had 1 and Bhagavan killed him. This Bhagavan, this Hanuman, this Durga. We will curse. Not realizing it's a part of it's my prarabdha. Nothing just happens by coincidence. Ye prarabdha. This is the fruit of something I did in my past. Realize that. And then you don't blame Bhagavan, you don't blame anyone. We may have committed so much murder, we didn't know what we did in the past life. वो भोगना पड़ेगा, अवश्यमेव भोक्तव्यम कृतं कर्म शुभाशुभम महाभारत. The scripture says we will have to bear the fruits of our good action as well as bad action. Have to. Can't get away. We love the good fruit, the good ones, right? अच्छा फल मिलते हैं तो अच्छा लगता है. और बुरे फल मिलेगा. We like when we get the good fruits, when nice things happen. But when the bad things happen, we don't like it. But we didn't think about it when we were doing the wrong action. भोगना पड़ेगा. We have to. वैसी करनी जैसी भरनी. We say it. As you sow, you shall reap. We say it, but we don't believe. And we forget that Bhagwan is looking. He's looking and he's taking note. Every moment Bhagwan sote nahi. Eko deva sarva bhuteshu gudha sarva vyapi sarva bhutantaratma karma dhyaksha sarva lokadivasa sakshi cheta kevalo nirgunascha Shvetashutaro Upanishad chapter 6 verse 11. The Vedas say one Bhagwan sits in the heart of every living being. He's a sakshi, means he's a witness. And he takes note. He's taking note every moment, and he rewards or punishes us accordingly. Bhagwan bas phal dete, we can't blame him. He said, I give you free will. Then how do I know what to do? Then he says, I've given my law book also. Law book? Ramayana, Gita, Bhagavad, Mahapuran, Ved. This is Bhagwan's law book. In this, he has told us, if you do this kind of action, you get to get this kind of fruit. You do that kind of action, you're going to get that kind of fruit. Well, I never had time, I never listened. I never want to go mandir. And that's your problem. Ignorance is no excuse for breaking the law. I didn't know. No. As I said, you know, a child doesn't know fire burns, right? When the child put the hand in the fire doesn't say, okay, you don't know, I won't burn you. No, it's going to burn. So find out. It's our duty. This is why Bhagwan gives us knowledge. In all the forms of life, that which differentiates human being from other forms of life, Gyan. Gyanam hitesha madhiko vishesho Gyane nahina pashubhe samana. Bhakti Hari. He's given us an abundance of knowledge which the other creatures doesn't have. This differentiates us. Utilize it in the right way. So when we even thinking wrong about a saintly person, Bhagwan takes note. If anyone going to forgive, the one you commit the sin against, that one can forgive. Bhagwan says, I will never forgive. Are, good example in Bhagavad Mahapuran. Durvasa Muni, saint Rishi, he tried to harm a devotee, Ambarish, King Ambarish. And Bhagwan sends Sudarshan Chakra after him. Durvasa Muni went to all the three worlds, no one will give protection. Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, nobody. He went and fell at the feet of Bhagwan, begging. Trahimam, Trahimam. Bhagwan said, Bhaiya, I can't do anything. You can't do? No. But you are supremely independent, free. No one and nothing controls you. That is true. Parama Satanta Nasida Balako. But aham bhakta paradhino yaswatantra ivadvaja sadhu virgasta hridayo bhaktair bhakta jana priya. 9th canto, 4th chapter, 63rd verse, Bhagavad Mahapuran. Bhagwan says, I am independent, I am free, no one, nothing controls me. But to every law there's a subsection. But those who love me, when it comes to my bhaktas, those who love me, I am no longer free. Aham bhakta paradhina. I am ruled and controlled by those who love me. They make me dance as a monkey dances to the tune of the trainer. I am no longer free. Durvasa. Grasta hridayo. They have eaten my heart. So heart is something to eat like rasgulla? No, they have full control over me. If Ambarish forgives you, is fine. Durvasa, if Ambarish, you committed the pap against Ambarish, you tried to harm Ambarish, if he forgives you, I have no problem, but I cannot, I will not. Durvasa went, Ambarish, a saint never even thinks. You know, we keep people in our mind. The saying is, I will forgive you, but I will never forget you. What's the use? That's going to eat you up. Ambarish didn't even think about it. He had forgotten. The saint doesn't keep this thing. When Durvasa came and he was fallen at the feet of Ambarish, Ambarish felt embarrassed. Embarrassed? Why? He says, you're a Brahman. A Brahman, I'm Kshatri. I am a king, Kshatri. Durvasa said, no, bhaiya. When it comes to bhakti, there's no Brahman or Kshatri. Bhakti is supreme. Your love for Bhagwan is supreme. Durvasa embraced, Ambarish embraced him, gave him gifts and everything. Devote the one, the saint can forgive. Lekin Bhagwan will not forgive. So this is the fruit, he says. This is why no one is going to give protection to anyone in Lanka, and the entire Lanka is being burnt up like this. The whole Lanka is becoming orphans. No one is going to give protection. पूरे नगर को जला दिया, लेकिन विभीषण के घर को नहीं जलाया. अब देखो, the whole of Lanka was burnt out, and Vibhishan had a little hut. I told you, a little hut. He didn't have this big palace like everybody else, but the fire didn't touch the little hut of Vibhishan. Why? Parvati, Shivji says to Parvati, hey Parvati, क्योंकि विभीषण भक्त, उनका भक्त है. हे पार्वती, इसी कारण नहीं जला. महावीर जी ने, so Shivji said to Parvati, the reason why, because Vibhishan is a devotee of Bhagwan. And this is why Hanuman did not touch the house of Vibhishan. One who Bhagwan protects, nothing can happen to them. Nothing can happen to the one who Bhagwan, who is under the shelter of Bhagwan. Mahavir ji ne ulat palat ke sab Lanka puri jalakar fir samudra mein kood pade. And so jumping and sprinting and doing everything, he burned the whole of Lanka. And then jumped into the ocean and bujha diya. Took the fire out from the tail. इसके बाद क्या हुआ? दोहा. रामचंद्र की जय. पवन सुत हनुमान की जय. पूछ बुझाए श्रम खोकर फिर छोटा रूप बना, हाथ जोड़कर जानकी के सन्मुख खड़े हो गए. हनुमान जी took the fire out in the ocean from the tail, took a little bath, got rid of the fatigue of jumping in all his fire, relieved his fatigue, and then he again took that small form. When he came in Lanka, when he went to the Ashoka Vatika the first time, he took a small, again he took that small form. वो छोटा रूप बना, and he appeared before Mother Sita with hands folded, हाथ जोड़ के, और बोले कि माता तुम भी कोई मुझे चिन्हारी दो जैसे रघुनाथ जी मुझे आपके निमित्त दिए था. And he said to her, Ma, you also give me something. Bhagwan Sri Ram had given his anguti, his ring, so that when he came, Sita would recognize this came from Ram. We heard the katha. So he says, Ma, you give me something else that I can show to Ram. तब जानकी जी ने चूड़ामणि उतार महावीर जी को दी, उन्होंने प्रसन्न हो ग्रहण की. So there's something called a chudamani. It's used in the hair, right? To hold the hair, decorate the hair. It's like a clip. It's very beautiful with gems, money. Money says jare hai. That's why it's chudamani. Chudam means bunch of hair. Money means gems. So it's all started with gems. Beautiful clip of her hair. She took it and she gave to Hanuman. Hanuman very happily took hold of it. इसके बाद सीता ने कहा, सीता से लोग महावीर जाके प्रभु को हमारे प्रणाम दो. Harun returned, give my pranam to my beloved, to my Lord. He Nath, आप दीन दयालु, you are the ocean of mercy. You shower your grace on those humble souls. And I am in such a great problem here, difficulty. स्वामी एक मास में न आएंगे तो फिर मुझे जीत ही नहीं पाएंगे. और राम से कहो, tell Ram that if he doesn't come after 1 month, then he would. This is what Ravana had said to her. I give you 1 month. So if he doesn't come after 1 month, he won't find me alive. कहो महावीर, किस प्रकार से आपने प्राण रखो, अब तुम भी जाने के कहते हैं. And when remember, Sita was very, very sad in the separation from Sri Ram. She was crying. She had become very thin. But when she met Hanuman, she got so happy. You came like, she said, she used the word, you came like a ship for someone who's drowning in separation. You became that ship to take me out of that ocean of separation, that sorrow. You saved my life, Hanuman. And now you're leaving again. You're saying, I'm going. तुम्हें देखकर छाती ठंडी हुई. Meeting you and seeing you, my heart became cool again. I was burning in the fire of separation from my Lord. परंतु तुम्हारे बिना फिर उसी प्रकार दिन रात बीतेगी. But then you're going to leave, and again day and night will become in fire for me. When a devotee, when you meet a true devotee, see, when you meet a true devotee, even Bhagwan is enjoying the presence of a true devotee. जो भक्त को मिलते हैं, oh, you forget all your problems, everything in the world will go away. This is the greatness, this is the real satsang. When you meet a true devotee of Bhagwan, that coolness comes. You may have all the problem in the world, but it brings a coolness, a calmness. That even Sita, she says, Ma Sita says, that she's feeling that. तब महावीर जी ने जानकी को समझाया, बहुत प्रकार से धैर्य दिया और चरण कमल में सिर नवाकर रघुनाथ जी के निकट चले. Hanuman ji tried in many ways. Oh Ma, please be patient. Don't worry, the Lord is coming. I have full faith. He is going to come. He is the supreme Lord. No one can stop him. Arey, Hanuman could have taken him. Hanuman said, I'll take you. But this wasn't the instruction. He had to come and destroy Ravana. So don't worry about it. In many ways he tried to make her understand and to be patient, and then bow to her lotus feet. Bathed in his, blessing himself with the dust of her lotus feet, he took leave of her, and then he went to Prabhu Sri Ram. यहाँ फिर क्या हुआ देखता हूँ. स्वामी की जय। बानर सेना सुग्रीव के पास गया और बोले कि हे नाथ, हनुमान जी ने सब कार्य किया और सब कपियों का प्राण रखे। The entire army now came to Sugriv. Sugriv was the king. They came to Sugriv and said, "O Lord, Hanuman ji, for whatever work he has been sent, has successfully performed that work. And he has saved the life of all the Kapis." सुनकर सुग्रीव फिर महावीर जी के से मिले और कपियों के सहित रघुनाथ जी के पास चले। Very happily hearing this news, Sugriv became very happy. Then he met Hanuman, and together with everyone, they went to भगवान श्री राम। जब रघुनाथ जी कपियों के आते देख के तो काज कर चुके अति प्रसन्न मन में चले आते। एक चट्टान पर दोनों भाई बैठे थे कि सब बानर चरणों में जा पड़े। And so when Bhagwan Shri Ram saw everyone coming, they were so smiling, they were laughing. वो समझ गया सब ठीक हो गया. He understood everything is fine now. And he was sitting together with Lakshman on a stone. And all the monkeys, all the entire army came and fell at the feet of Prabhu and did pranam. कृपा सागर रघुनाथ जी सबके प्रीति पूर्वक मिले और कुशल पूछा। तब बानर बोले, हे नाथ, अब आपसे के चरण कमल देखकर सब कुशल है। The ocean of mercy, that Lord, He's worried about everyone. He should be more worried about, himself, Sita, but he's worried. He says, with great love, with great love, he asks, is everyone okay? Look at the Lord. Is everyone okay? And then they all said, oh Lord, by the grace and seeing by your grace and this having this looking at your lotus feet, everyone is very happy. Everyone is okay. तब जामन कहने लगे कि सुनो रघुनाथ जी, जिस पर आप दया करते हो उसका सदैव शुभ होता है और सुर नर मुनि भी उस पर प्रसन्न रहते हैं. And this is a very important thing that Jaman said. Jaman said, oh Lord, listen Raghunath ji, whoever you shower your grace upon, and who does he shower his grace upon? On his bhaktas, those who love him. Whoever you shower your grace upon, they will always be, everything will be auspicious with them. Shubh, all the time. And even Sur Nara Muni, even the Devatas, the Rishis and Munis, everyone will be pleased with such a soul that the Lord showers His grace upon, who is under the shelter of Bhagwan. No one can think anything differently about that. Wahi Vijayi, Vinay Yukt, Guno Ka Samud, that person will be always be victorious, will be filled of humility, will be an ocean of virtues. उसी का सुयश त्रिलोक में उजागर, his fame will spread throughout all the three worlds. प्रभु की कृपा से सब काम हुआ, and by your grace, my Lord, everything has been successful. It looks like Hanuman has done it, but it's by your grace. And so the Lord says, Mahavir, हे नाथ, महावीर, जामन कहते हे महावीर जो करनी की है सो सहस्त्र सुख सभी मुखों से भी नहीं बरनी कर सकते. And then Jaman says, oh Lord, that work, that seva, that action that Hanuman ji will perform, even if I were to take millions of mouths, I will not be able to say and glorify what Hanuman ji did. Is it possible? Jaman ne Mahavir ji ki pavitra charitra Raghunath ji ko sunaya, and he told that great history of Hanuman, the glory of Hanuman, and what Hanuman did, and how he did it. He told the whole thing to Prabhu Shri Ram. So sunkar Kapi कृपा निधान मन को अत्यंत भाए और प्रसन्न होकर हनुमान जी को फिर हृदय में लगाया. And hearing this, what the Lord did, he became extremely happy. बहुत आनंदित, he became so happy and took Hanuman. Hanuman ji took Hanuman and embraced him to his bosom, to his chest. कहो तात जान किस प्रकार के अपने प्राणों रख. And so he is glorifying Hanuman. It's a beautiful bhajan. It has a little more than what we think. I just want to sing a little bhajan. Mostly I've been singing different bhajan, but today I want to do a little about Hanuman ji. This bhajan, Bhagwan is saying to Hanuman, and he is glorifying Hanuman. What does it say to Hanuman? श्याम कहे हनुमाना सुन बचन कहो परमाना सुन बचन कहो परमाना श्री राम कहे श्री राम कहे तुम सीता खबर सुना. You came and brought the news of Sita to me. That she, everything is okay. That calm. मेरा मन को सोच, you take away all. I had so much problem in my mind, so much worries about Sita. You took away all the worries. That आयो बड़ी निधान. You've done a great duty, a great act for me. Hanuman, I can never pay you. तुम सीता खबर सुनाई मेरे मन की सोच मिटाई. दरियायो बड़ी निधाना सुनो बचन कहो परमाना सुनो बचन कहो परमाना श्री राम. Beyond this, you have helped me build that bridge to Lanka. Oh Hanuman, you have took me to the ultimate world, the ultimate aim. You crossed everything, you helped me cross everything. You destroyed the whole of Lanka. Oh Hanuman. सागर में सेतु बनाया सब लक्ष्य पार लगाया. ये लंकापुरी में खाना सुनो बचन कहो परमाना सुनो बचन कहो परमाना श्री राम. You saved the life of Lakshman. He brought the Molas Jivan and saved the life of Lakshman. Some Rakshas saying Gira, you destroyed the whole army of Rakshas. You destroyed the 10 heads of Ravan. Through your help, I was able to do that. So, Hanuman. Lakshman ki jaan bachai. सब राक्षस सेन गिराए. रावण दश शीश उड़ाया. Bhagwan Shri Ram says to Hanuman, if I give one life, I still can't pay for how much you've done for me. Hanuman, I'm so indebted to you. He's saying to his servant, Hanuman, I'm so indebted to you. You've done this great job for Mama Kama Kiyo, but bhai, you've done this great. How much you've done for me, Hanuman, I can never even say. Tuma Jivo Harish Hazari. Live forever and ever and ever, and attain all the happiness that is there to attain, Hanuman. Mama Kama Kiyo Bharai, Tuma Jivo Harish Hazari, Tuma Jivo Harish Hazari, Brahmananda, Brahmananda Bhota Sukha. Suno vachan kaho Padmana, suno vachan kaho Padmana, Shri Ram kahe Hanumana, Shri Ram kahe Hanumana, suno vachan kaho Padmana, suno vachan kaho Padmana, Shri Ram पावनपुर महावीर स्वामी की जय, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय. So devotees, the Lord is present. He's so happy with his servant, and as I said, Hanumanji teaches us service, seva. The life of Hanuman teaches us how to serve the Lord. एक अच्छे सेवक है, वो भगवान से किस तरह से प्रेम करना, प्यार, कभी कुछ मांगते, कभी नहीं कुछ पूछते नहीं. Hanuman never asked Bhagwan for anything, and always he wanted to give happiness to his Lord. As we know the katha later on, that he was given this garland with all these gems, Ma Sita, and then he started breaking them with the teeth. And everyone saw, they thought, this is what happens when you give a monkey something, doesn't know the value. They asked Hanuman, why are you doing this? Hanuman said, I'm looking for Sri Ram, Sita Ram. Sita Ram, Sita. Are Hanuman, this is an inert object. How can you find Sita Ram? Hanuman said, if something doesn't have Sita Ram, there's no value to you. There's no value. Acha Hanuman, this body of yours is also inert. This body is made of 5 elements, earth, water, fire, and space. They're not knowing who Hanuman is. So, is the Lord in your body also? Hanuman says, certainly. Has to be. Okay, if it's not there, then throw it, destroy this body. Show us Hanuman. Hanuman ripped the chest, and they're sitting in this heart. And the Lord is sitting there, Sita Ram, on the throne. That same Sita Ram is sitting in the heart of Hanuman. This is Hanuman. Siya Ram mai sab jagajani karuh pranam jodi jugupani. In every particle, in everywhere, all Hanuman saw was Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram. In everywhere. So, Hanuman teaches us so much. Let us learn to love the Lord as Hanuman loved the Lord. Let us learn to serve the Lord as Hanuman served. Hanuman never asks, Bhagwan sab kuch denge, he will give everything. Don't ask. Kabhi mango nahi. We don't know what to ask for anyhow. Just love the Lord selflessly. Be like Hanumanji. Be a true servant. अच्छा सेवक बनो. So much more we can learn. We'll bring an end to the Katha here today. This wonderful Katha, 7 session we had of Hanuman. There's so much more, but this little bit we're able to bring in 7 days. Bole Pawan Put Mahavir Swami ki jai, Siyavar Ramchandra ki jai, Umapati Mahadev ki jai, Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai.